Hi guys, it's SweetTooth967 bringing you another product description. Today we're looking at the M&S tailoring washable bag. What I'm going to do is I'll show you quickly what this does. Right, it's for suits or jackets like this one. Now this hasn't been washed for, God no, I think since 2000 and odd when I took it to the cleaners. These are good freshen up now. Make sure there's nothing in the pockets. You can see there's obviously, and then all you do quickly just put it in the bag like so, front ways. Alright, good tip is to put the arms over the jacket like so. Okay, alright, you just zip it up, dead easy. I'm going to show you what we're going to do now in a minute. Okay, so you just get the jacket like that, dead easy, put it in the wash. Right. Today I'm using it's a Fairy non-bio wash powder. Well, I think this is 10 kilos. You know, a handy hint is to put an ice cream scoop in. Just makes, instead of pouring it, you get more of an accurate measure. Just going to put that amount in there. Now I'm going to turn it on for a quick wash. And 30-degree wash, dead easy. We're going to put that on now. There we go. Alright, and that'll freshen up. We'll be back shortly. See what it looks like. Alright, it's coming to the end of the cycle now. Gotten rid of all those soap suds. We'll see what it looks like in a minute. 2 minutes to go. So that's that done. So what we'll do now is we'll see what it looks like when it's unbagged. Alright, so you can see, like I say, it basically, you just pop it open like that, lift it out. Now there will be a few creases in there, but overall it's not bad. I'll show you that. There we go. I'll just bring it around here so you can see. Alright, so it's gone very clean, it's got all the dust off it. The arm's pretty good. All the lapels, all the cuffs, you can see there. So it's freshened it up. This one being a wool mark jacket, so it works well with those. And this is I believe it's a next jacket this. So what I do is I just get the old hanger, hang it up like that so that the creases fall out of the jacket. I just hang it like that. You can see, just like on a normal dry rack, you know, like an era. I'll show you that. That's what it should look like. I just leave that to dry. There's a hint as well, once the front is dried, take it around and hang it the other way around, obviously, get the arms out and hang it so that the inside is outward as well. So that both the inside of the jacket needs to be dry as well. So there you go guys, that'll save you a few pounds. Go into dry cleaners all the time, you know the score. If you drop something on it, it's just as easy as that. Pop it in. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope this helped you out. So that was the M&S tailoring machine washable bag. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.